Uh, Hi friends, this is good evening and here I am Gayatri Devi from Go With Nature and today here we are with another interactive live session, live webinar on the topic scopes and challenges in wildlife research and this is our fifth webinar and from the last fourth sessions we are having responses from you all friends and hoping for a better one. Today we are moving to a better or a better interactive sessions. And for that we have two eminent guests from different sectors and first, already he have come to this platform many a times. He has given you knowledgeable thought views many a times. He is none other than Mr. Ajit Satpathy, DFO Kenjur Wildlife Division, and he has been instrumental in many of the innovative works and many of the things he will be explaining about his endeavor in many innovative works and most prominently the relocation of the villagers from the wild from Similipal Tiger Reserves is called as one of the benchmark in his work period. Also, we'll be learning a lot of things from him, and we'll be giving many valuable suggestions for the blooming or the budding wildlife resources. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the session.
Thank you, Gayatri.
Uh, Another great friend of ours and young, energetic, enthusiast wildlife, we can say a field biologist, we can say, and he's Rudra Prasanna Mahapatra. Rudra Prasanna Mahapatra, and yeah, welcome Rudra to this session. This is your first session with us, and
Hi
Rudra
friends.
Prasanna Rudra Prasad Mahapatra. He is working with Wildlife Trust of India as the regional facilitator Odisha and in charge of emergency disaster response of Eastern states of India. So we have, and he began his journey in Wildlife Trust of India with a sloth bear conservation project in Odisha in 2009, which had a visible impact in curbing the sloth bear trade. Currently, he is heading the Wildlife Trust of India projects in Odisha and in charge of the disaster response in eastern states of India. I remember during Fani or cyclone time, he did commendable job and he was having lots of posting in the Facebook and all the media platform. Thank you for your such noble work and welcome Rudra to this platform. And also, we all will be having a very good session throughout this 1.5 hour journey. Start with uh, Rudra, you are very active in field studies and field works and all these things. So, what's your point of view? Is how did you
Maybe your
before giving
voice
the
is
point of
breaking.
view?
I can't able to
My
hear you
voice.
properly.
Okay.
Yes,
You can't
I can't able
can't
to
hear.
make it.
Ajit sir, you can
No,
hear.
it's breaking. The voice is
Yeah.
breaking.
Ajit
You are
sir, you
clear.
can hear.
Yeah, I do hear. I hear
Okay.
you clearly.
You can't hear.
Acha.
Rudra, there is problem with Rudra, I
The
think.
voice, maybe, but
Maybe, but
connection is dropped.
everyone can
I don't
hear.
know. Hmm.
Okay.
I hear you. I
Hmm.
hear you both clearly.
Should I change the connection instead of Bluetooth?
No,
Should
no,
I
it's
go for
okay.
the can hear
Rudra,
or not?
now I think you are hearing. Rudra, Rudra, do you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, I
He,
can
But
hear
you,
you.
he's asking you
you
for
can hear me?
introduction of
Hear Rajat
yourself
sir
and
properly. Yeah.
she's asking
I
you.
can hear Rajat sir properly.
So Ajay sir, you convey my question that because how he started his journey in Wildlife Trust of India and how his journey in Odisha, particularly what his contributions and what advice he can give to the students of Odisha uh, that have
Rudra,
our Wildlife
Rudra,
Trust
she's
of India
asking about
and
your contribution and your organization in and its presence in Odisha and all kind of roles you are playing in Odisha. She's asking to tell something about that.
Okay. Yeah. Wildlife Trust of India is a national level NGO, let's say. It's a non-government organization. We have presence almost around 20 states in Odisha, in India. So in Odisha, the operation started, like WTI directly started working in 2009. October 2009 on the sloth bear project. Now we are running two mobile veterinary units, one in Simlipa, another one in Keonjhar, and another we are going to start in Satkosia. Is like under process. Apart from this, we are active in disaster response. Since 2011 flood, we are working in and around Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Bengal. So during any kind of disaster, we have a volunteer network called Emergency Relief Network. Also, we have veterinarian as well as trained rescuers. So during any kind of disaster, we respond.
Uh, so this is how you connect with Odisha. So in your work procedure, do you
Yes.
need any wildlife researchers for it? वाइल्ड रिसर्चर आप लोगों को चाहिए होता है कि हाँ ये जो डिजास्टर रिस्पॉन्स है या फिर कोई वाइल्ड रिसर्चर अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन कैसे करना चाहता है उसमें, अगर करना चाहे तो कैसे कर पाएगा?
See, research is an integral part of wildlife conservation, I will say.
Yes.
And if you'll ask me to divide research, I'll say research, there are two types of research. One is purely academic, and another one is just conservation research. So conservation research is very much important, and you can connect directly to the nature. But for this academic purpose, you'll say if you are doing a PhD or something, it
Yes.
is okay. But conservation research is something that is very much necessary. If like anybody can do conservation research, you don't need a degree to do
Yes.
conservation research.
That's important. So one
That's how
important
I
thing
link
what you
like research with.
yes, anybody can be a part of the conservation research whether कोई PhD करे या ना करे. So how
Yes.
Wildlife Trust of India it involves the people, मतलब कोई academic से हो या फिर non academic से हो, how someone can connect Wildlife Trust of India में वो कैसे connect हो सकता है, what the procedures कुछ रहता होगा या फिर कोई applications kind of the things ऐसे कुछ है क्या?
See, with Wildlife Trust of India, I will say our network is one of the best connection network because we take anybody in that. Whether you are a biologist, you are a veterinarian, you are a researcher, you are a forest officer, anybody from all kind of background, we take them through this emergency relief network. We train them. Not only we just take as a volunteer, we have regular training modules. With CU Fit वेटनरियन, जहाँ पे वेटनरियन का रिक्वायरमेंट है विल पुट यू देयर. हमारा जो वेटनरियन है विल लिंक यू विद देम. इफ यू आर ए रेस्क्यूअर विल लिंक यू विद द रेस्क्यूअर्स लाइक द ग्लोबल नेटवर्क सो दैट एक दूसरे से हम लोग सीख पाए एंड यू विल गेट एक्सपोजर नॉट ओनली इन योर स्टेट
But in other states, we learn from
in
each other.
WTA से कि few of our ERN members जो पहले ERN member रह चुके हैं, they are now our staff.
Okay, ERA member मतलब क्या? मतलब you told something, some members are there, they are your staffs. मतलब जो learn कर रहे हैं तो वही लोग अभी staff नहीं आपके.
Who are the ARU members?
I can't hear you.
Who are the ARU members? You are telling, no?
Now you told that some members they are your staffs. So वो members कौन है?
How can be a ARU member? How one can be an ARU member in your organization? She's asking that.
अच्छा, see ERN membership will say हमारे वेबसाइट पे कनेक्शन ERN, you can click on it, online form आ जाए, you can fill it up, then if like you have to go through the scrutiny. If you are eligible, will get you in.
So this is one good thing that कोई भी अगर वाइल्ड लाइफ ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ कनेक्ट होना चाहे तो फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट दे कैन चेक ऑल द प्रोसीजर्स और पैराफोनियस, फिर वो कनेक्ट हो सकता है. So you told that you are having some mobile veterinary units in Keonjhar district and Keonjhar district of Odisha. Is it working with the forest department?
She's asking about your mobile veterinary units.
I think he is
Rudra.
having some issues. Rudra is offline. Yeah.
Rudra,
Okay.
Rudra,
No, I'm not offline.
Rudra, who sees-
I'm just trying to switch off my camera only, so that I think there is some problem with the connection. So I'm switching off my camera so that the audio will be clearer.
Audio will be visible. Okay. Audio
Just
will
for some
be
time.
clear. Okay, fine.
you can repeat then the question about the mobile
Veterinary
veterinary units. Yeah.
हाँ. आपका जो मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट काम कर रहा है यहाँ पर, तो वो कैसे, मतलब इज इट वर्किंग विद द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट या फिर अपने इंडिपेंडेंट वो काम करता है?
Yes, Rudra.
Hello.
Rudra. She's asking about your health mobile veterinary unit. Mobile veterinary unit. How it is functioning and
Huh.
where it is functioning, how it is functioning. She's asking.
इज इट विद द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट? फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट
See,
के साथ काम करता है क्या?
हाँ. यस, हमारा जो डायरेक्ट रेस्क्यू इनिशिएटिव है इज कॉल्ड मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट. Like husbandry department, they have mobile veterinary units. We have mobile veterinary units who are to wildlife rescue only. So we started our first mobile veterinary unit in Simlipal. Then another last year it started in Keonjhar. So mobile veterinary unit क्या होता है? We have a vehicle, it's a multi-utility vehicle with a veterinarian. तो placed mostly around sanctuary, जो हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था सिमलीपाल में. इट्स अ वेरी गुड टूल. जब भी कोई रेस्क्यू हो इमीडिएटली और वेटनरियन कैन रीच देयर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लाइक मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट एस्टेब्लिश होता है वहाँ का जो फॉरेस्ट स्टाफ है एज वेल एज वी ट्रेन सम वॉलंटियर्स, उनको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करते हैं. उस एरिया में हम लोग जो प्राइमरी रेस्पॉन्डर्स हम लोग जिनको बोलते हैं, वी क्रिएट ग्रुप्स. जैसे सिमलीपाल is having 5 forest divisions including core. तो हम लोग क्या किए, हर एक जो फॉरेस्ट स्टाफ था उन लोगों को ट्रेन करना चालू किए. सो वी हैव, बिकॉज अगर आप बस एक वेटनरियन दे दोगे, इफ ही इज ए वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑल्सो, वो खुद तो रेस्क्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे ना, ही विल नीड हेल्प. और मैक्सिमम एनिमल का जो इंजुरी होता है इट हैपन ड्यूरिंग द रेस्क्यू. अगर एनिमल इंजर्ड it or you rescue it, तो एनिमल विल गेट इंजर्ड. उस टाइम पे इवन वेटनरी प्रॉब्लम होगा टू ट्रीट इट. तो इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जहाँ पे we mostly work with forest department. Ajit Satpathy sir was one of that time he was deputy director Simlipal. We worked closely. तो करते हैं and he was very helpful to us also. उस टाइप का होता है. अभी द सेकंड मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट स्टार्टेड इन केवंझर एंड कोइंसिडेंट यू विल से लक, he is now DFO Keonjhar Wildlife. So we are always close.
Today also you both are together.
And hopefully
you will continue your togetherness in the future also.
Yeah,
And
what I want to say, I can say
yes,
something here.
Yes, you continue. Yes,
about the mobile health unit,
Mobile
veterinary units that was working in Simlipal actually. After when I joined, actually this was all in the I think it is grounded, but it was not that started. One veterinary surgeon was there, and vehicle was there, everything. But after my joining, whenever there is a death or whenever there is a rescue issue and everything, whenever there is any problem kind of things to the wild animal, we immediately referring the mobile veterinary unit. I surprisingly Rudra also, he's staying in Bhubaneswar, but you will find him within 5 hours in the spot, and with the
This is
rescue team. He was leading, you can say. So it was a brilliant approach, and our approach to rescue the animals, we have got 90% of success. I think in a year we have rescued minimum 60 to 70 cases of a lot of animals. Am I right, Rudra? It was so nicely
Yes,
planned and
yes.
everything, and we immediately got applause from the people also. The people who were really concerned for the wildlife and wildlife lovers and enthusiasts and activists. They everybody applauded us because looking to our whole effort to do it a scientific manner. Because you know what, why I told this, because it is a part of a research also. Because in WHI,
yes.
all were researchers people. Thank you. So the same thing I am also starting here in Keonjhar now. We are training our own forest guard through Rudra's team, and we have snake rescuers. We have a lot of wild animal, how to rescue them, and all trainings are there. And we are creating experts. We are, so that they will be fast, rapid action force kind of thing. First, they will immediately rush to the spot and they start rescuing the wild animal. So this is the part Rudra is really leading in Odisha.
That's a very good approach, and I think ये जो आपका जो अप्रोच है, it will be continued in many of the region of उड़ीसा. उड़ीसा में हम रेस्क्यू के लिए इसको अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं. We can increase our work style. करने का जो स्टाइल है उसको हम ज़्यादा जगह पर ले सकते हैं. और what you say?
I'm just switching my network. Maybe my network is slow, so I'm switching to another network. I'll just take a second.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll
You can.
continue with Jitsa. You take. Okay.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
ओके. अभी हमको पता चला कि मोबाइल वेटनरी यूनिट इट्स हैविंग सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट, मतलब इस डिवीजन के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंस बियर करता है. सो इसमें एक वेटनरियन का तो होना जरूरी है, रेस्क्यू टीम होना जरूरी है. बट क्या मैं रिसर्चर या फिर वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्चर उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो सकता है कि नहीं? क्योंकि हम लोग वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्चर मतलब ऐसे सोचते हैं कि चलो कंजर्वेशन ले लिया या फिर एनिमल के बारे में स्टडी कर लिया या फिर बहुत सारा डाटा ले लिया किसी एनिमल के बारे में. सो रेस्क्यू इज ऑल्सो अनदर पार्ट. सो उसमें कैसे एक तो यंग बच्चों को या फिर यंग स्टूडेंट को हम कैसे इन्वॉल्व कर मोटिवेट कर सकते, चलो यू कम एंड बी ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ, यू कैन हैव रिसर्च इन द रेस्क्यू पार्ट ऑफ द वाइल्ड.
See, if you you will find in across the globe, wherever there are rescuer animal wild animal rescuers teams were there, veterinary surgeon is a part where they do the treatment kind of things, care and treatment they do. But rest other parts, how to capture them, how to keep them, and how to again back them in the wild.
The
Okay, all these things, a research part is there. How to how a rescue animal can be back to the wild. That is a research
reintroduced
part.
into its wild habitat.
Yeah, it is a research part. Okay, otherwise you will be failure. It will be failure if you will rescue it and you will start doing it. If you will keep it as a captive animal, you have no meaning that. You have to
Not
rescue,
yes.
and after its good health, then again you release it back to the wild. That is the most important part. And for that part, you need a researcher, because a researcher can only advise how to make them again or back them again to
Into
the
the
wild.
wild habitat.
Yeah, yeah. So in that way, researchers has a role, and they have a career also there. And I
Definitely.
think it is a it is a. I don't think researchers have looking to that area ever in Odisha also. I have never seen.
Yes, yes. वो तो हम लोगों को पता है कि रिसर्च मीन्स हमने एक लिमिटेड बना लिया है, ओके एक रिसर्चर को यही करना है, बस इतना ही करना है। बट वाइल्ड लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व होने के लिए, कंट्रीब्यूशन देने के लिए इतने सारे स्कोप्स है, इतने सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, उसको हमको डिस्कवर करना है और इसको एग्जीक्यूट करना है। दैट थिंग वी हैव टू डेवलप एंड वी हैव टू वी कैन से इंस्टिल इन द होल वाइल्ड लाइफ करिकुलम। वाइल्ड लाइफ का जो दिमाग है, तो अकेडमिक है, उसमें भी हमको उसको डालने का है कि हाँ
These are
वाइल्ड लाइफ का
these are
मतलब
actually new areas where you have to explore as a
yes,
researcher.
new areas we have to explore. So
Yeah.
we'll be discussing on this part how a rescue can be a new area of exploration for the wildlife researchers. So very thank you both of you. And should we move on to the questionnaires, because we have lots of questions.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are
yeah.
hoping.
We should
Yeah,
start with
already 20
question.
minutes have gone, and I have asked three of the questions. तो जो जिन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है उनको हम अलाउ करने वाले हैं. So anytime they will be connecting, and before that we will be हम इस क्वेश्चंस को हम देते हैं, and all are valid questions. What we are discussing, कोई भी क्वेश्चन इनवैलिड नहीं होता है, बिकॉज वो लेमैन का व्यू से आता है, वो कुछ सोच के बताता है, सोच के क्वेश्चंस पूछता है, and we have to answer it. We have to
And let us
discover the
and let us clear
yes.
here. Let us clear everybody here. It is not a question or answering from experts kind of session. We will discuss about the issues. The person who is asking or who is raising issues or questions or anything, he has to share his own views first, so we can here fine tune it, or we can add something to him or some perspective. We will learn also, and others will learn also. That way we will carry forward.
इससे टू वे कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए, एंड दैट विल बी बेटर वन. बट फिलहाल के लिए हमारे पास टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस हैं, टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस है. मे बी
Yeah, sure.
फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सेशन विल बी अलाउइंग, एनकरेजिंग पीपल टू आप आओ और वीडियो पे आप अपना क्वेश्चन डालो, फिर अपना व्यू भी आप डाल सकते हो. अभी के लिए जो कनेक्ट करते हैं ओके, बट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सेशन विल बी कंसिडरिंग, और आपका जो सजेशन है हम उसको लेकर सेशन को लेके जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर सजेशन. एंड is from Soumya Yadav. His question is, what are the scopes and ways of research in wildlife medicines, wildlife forensics, and human and wildlife coexistence? What are the scopes and ways of wildlife medicine, forensics, and human and wildlife coexistence?
Yes, Rudra can speak.
Because अभी हम लोग रेस्क्यू की बात कर रहे थे. So
Rescue
somehow
के साथ ही है. It is related. Rudra, you can speak about the wildlife medicines.
I don't know what happened to my network.
Okay. Are you hearing me, Rudra?
Hello.
You are hearing
Hello.
me? Hello.
Is it audible?
You are audible. You are audible.
you are admit, आपको मेरे को सुनाई दे रहा है.
Okay.
So can you see the question there?
Mostly when we say mostly focused onto wild animals, about wild animals, but hardly like the wildlife medicine and forensic is a different set of expertise. So wildlife medicine, study on wildlife medicine, I'll say you have to be a veterinarian. Getting more wildlife veterinarian in the field, so it's good for them. On forensic, we have another set of expertise also. We have forensic court. So that's why mostly the people are more aware about that. And to do on forensic and medicine, you have to be a veterinarian. I would say it will be very easy, and it will be helpful if you are a veterinarian.
Okay. And how it is important for the wildlife coexistence? A forensic science या फिर कोई medicine
See, I'll
अगर हम
say. See, during our work in Simlipal, I'll say we encountered mostly anthrax cases. So
Yes.
because of that kind of whenever we do like any postmortem or something, if a elephant is dead, so we take the sample and send it to the trees to get like further analysis and find the root elephant is dead. So during our course, we found out that a lot of elephants are dying because of anthrax.
Anthrax.
So if you don't do a background research, you will not
Yes.
know why animals are dying or what is the cause behind it. Like in Kuldiha also, I think it was 2015 or something. Lot of animal died, even including wild boars, wild pigs. We found dead, like 4 or 5 wild pigs in within a week. So we have to send sample laboratories to analyze. So and I'll say if wildlife forensic. If during any kind of say poaching or hunting cases, to solve this kind of thing, you will need
Hmm.
forensic help.
Forensic reports. Yes.
So forensic, I think forensic was helpful in a lot of cases. If you find a, I'll say कि अभी हम लोगों ने एक जीन बैंक बना लिया है for the tiger in like all across India. So if you find a tiger skin in like any corner of India, you can take a tissue, just a hair is enough, and you can say
Okay.
कि कौन से टाइगर रिजर्व से ये पोच हुआ है. The charm of a wildlife forensic.
Yes. Tracing the
Nobody can deny कि
wildlife.
जैसे हम लोग बोले थे टाइगर थे कहाँ गया.
And
Huh, huh, huh.
So
I want to add here.
administration,
I want to add here, and this forensic report is an best evidence for the criminal
सर आप जब
co-
सिमलीपाल में थे तो आई थिंक यू हैड वर्कड ऑन एलिफेंट डेथ का जो केसेस था आपने उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करा था. आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जांपल.
Yes, in Similipal, actually the team, na, the entire team of Rudra and another veterinarian from the government and an STR veterinarian, all were 3 to 4 doctors were there, veterinary doctors. They were going to every
yes,
cases, every spot, and they were collecting the materials and they were going to test it next day. Then all the staffs and
हाँ हाँ
everywhere in
हाँ.
the field they were waiting. All kind of things were done in a very scientific way. And so today there is a less anthrax cases in in Similipal. What we did during 2015 and 16, and these forensic reports they are very valid evidence in the court in a wildlife crime and all. So these are the really very nice field where researcher can. But as Rudra told, a veterinarian is required. Veterinary science is required for that. I think.
For the
For
basic qualification.
yeah,
For a
yes,
basic qualification, you must be have a must have a veterinary
veterinary graduation,
ग्रेजुएशन अगर
veterinary.
ओके
Yeah.
तो उसका सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए देन आप दूसरे सेक्टर में आप एंटर कर सकते हो. बट आफ्टर ऑल वो भी तो रिलेटेड टू वाइल्ड लाइफ हो गया ना. वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्च का एक
Yes.
दूसरा फील्ड है, उसको हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने वेटनरी यूनिट के बारे में बताया था, एक न्यू यूनिट है, न्यू अप्रोच है, या फिर इंडिया में भी न्यू है, हम उसको थोड़ा
And
सा एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं.
last part of the question was human and animal coexist.
वाइल्ड लाइफ कोएक्सिस्टेंस दैट यू फोकस आप
Coexist.
बोल सकते
Yeah.
हैं उसके बारे में.
Yeah, yeah. Animal and wild animal and human coexistence. It is not a new concept for our in our case, because if we go through our Puranas and ritual Rig Vedas, all these kinds of thing, we were coexisting ourselves with wild animal, and now also in forest area, in protected areas, in sanctuaries, in tiger reserves, the fringe villagers, they were existing, they were coexisting with wild animal. You will find there is no animal depredation or crop loss or any kind of damage inside the for the people remaining inside the Similipal. But the same elephant they are causing damage outside the Similipal. You just see
Outside.
the behavior, yeah. So it is a very strange behavior of the wild animal, and that has to be researched out also because it is a behavioral kind of thing. So
हम इसको
where, yeah, yes,
इसका ये एनिमल का बिहेवियर है फिर ह्यूमन का बिहेवियर है, बिकॉज
what
एनिमल जहाँ भी जाता है
whatever, see, whenever the villagers inside
कंप्लेन,
Similipal in
दे आर नॉट
uh,
कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग, बट
no
आउटसाइड में
no
वो कंप्लेन
no,
आते हैं.
their behavior is not that panic as the behavior of the people outside the sanctuary and all. Okay,
Yes,
they're
yes,
very much panic and their behavior. So according to the behavior of the human, the wild animal also react.
who
Okay,
also that,
what
yes,
I think actually, but a lot of research is required for that. A lot of research. It is a community based research. I say you have to stay with the community. You have to you have to see the community behavior, how it changes if once a wild animal intrudes its habitation and all. So those kind of documentation we require actually. So
yes,
wherever you will see the more panic, more issues, more disturbance, there is a damage is more. And where there is no panic, nothing, people accept the wild animal in their habitation, I will say ki there is less damage.
less,
Okay.
less damage, yes.
That is as per my observation, I have seen.
As a forest officer observation, you must be having right observation, because आप तो ज्यादा टाइम फील्ड पर रहते हो ना, तो आपको ज्यादा ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है. एंड आई थिंक ठीक है, इसके ऊपर भी थोड़ा रिसर्च होना चाहिए, सो दैट कंफ्लिक्ट का जो इशूज है वो कम हो सकता है. व्हाई द कंफ्लिक्ट इज कमिंग, हम कंफ्लिक्ट के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं, उसका सोल्यूशन के ऊपर फोकस नहीं
Yeah,
करते,
next
रूट
we
कॉज
will
के
go to
ऊपर
next question. Let us
नहीं. यस,
go to
नेक्स्ट
next question.
क्वेश्चन. Yes, the next question is again from Soumya Yadav. I should get to know about people that are pioneers in the above mentioned field. Above mentioned means उसमें वो wildlife medicine, wildlife forensic, यानी pioneer person या फिर जिन्होंने ज़्यादा काम करा है उसके बारे में वो जानना चाहता है. इंडिया में कोई मतलब forensic related कोई काम उसने
हमारा
किया है.
अभी तो इंडिया में, yes, Rudra can say. Rudra, you can say this question. मैंने, who are the pioneers? I think WTI
say
has
कि
a
there are
lot of pioneers
WTI is the
also.
pioneer.
like
By
pioneers, if
government.
you'll say, there are a lot of people doing research. uh, Dr. Ullas Karanth, कैमरा ट्रैपिंग मेथड. हमारे उड़ीसा के से डॉक्टर विभास पांडव, we all connect him with Olive Ridley's. He is an Odia and now popular. So there are a lot of pioneers, you will say. And I'll say कि research, if you will say like there are, I'll say कि the filmmakers, even the wildlife filmmakers, I'll say they are some of the pioneers,
Yes.
because when there was nothing to show. So it doesn't mean कि if you are doing only research you are a scientist. If you are the early filmmakers, I'll say they are doing a lot of research while doing any film, like Vedis, when they have done that. Lot of filmmakers, I won't say like anyone. All the old, now we are privileged, we are getting high-end cameras, digital camera, after the digital cameras came in. But during those days, when they were
तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
showing us, so those were research. Even nowadays, with the digital cameras in our hand, we are unknowingly supporting the researchers. Bird watchers say they are going sanctuaries, they are clicking for kind of behavioral aspects. वो उनको पता नहीं चलता है कि how these things are helping. और बहुत सारे मेरे जो रिसर्चर फ्रेंड है, जैसे कि हम लोग फेसबुक में बैठते हैं, जो बर्ड वॉचर वगैरह नेचुरलिस्ट कम्युनिटी है, वी यूज टू फॉलो देम. वहां से आपको बहुत सारा डाटा मिल जाता है. इवन समटाइम दिस डाटा से बीच में गवर्नमेंट अपील्ड कि आप जहां पे टाइगर का रहे हो, डोंट जियो टैग. समटाइम दिस काइंड ऑफ जियो टैगिंग हेल्पिंग
Yes.
पोचर्स टू हंट दोज एनिमल्स. तो like जो nuclear power, you can use it to like nuclear energy to generate nuclear energy or create a nuclear bomb. It's a similar kind of thing.
Yes.
These are informations. If you are using it for a better cause, this will be well. अगर आपको negatively लेना है, as a human we always attract towards negativity. So there are like nuisance elements, they can. So लाइक जो एडवाइजर्स है जैसे कि हमारा फोटोज भी स्टोल हो गया, हमारा फेसबुक पोस्ट कर दिया, तो हैपन, बट I'll say these things are helping like for research. So if you are a bird watcher, if you are a naturalist, you do, if you are a just, I'll say, if you are just an animal lover and you love to watch animal, like the place I am in, I am finding lot of sunbirds जो कि मुझे भुवनेश्वर में नहीं दिख रहा था, एंड वेरी मच यहाँ पे जितना मुझे सनबर्ड्स का बिहेवियर देखने को मिल रहा है, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च. I am using my time with sunbirds. You don't need a PhD or any degree to do research.
Absolutely.
There are a
Absolutely.
lot of people without any degree, they are like publishing papers. If you are observer, then your observation is a paper.
Powerful
Don't wait
tool.
for your degree.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Absolutely.
powerful.
And I,
Like if you
hmm,
have a first-hand observation, that's enough.
yes, yes, yes. The एक बढ़िया सी बात हुई कि मतलब कोई भी ऑब्जर्वेशन करता है तो उसका एक वैल्यू रहता है, वो कंट्रीब्यूशन करता है. एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में उतना एनिमल बिहेवियर या फिर इथोलॉजी को उतना प्रायोरिटी नहीं दिया गया है, नाइदर इन द करिकुलम नाइदर इन द रिसर्च सेक्टर. बट for a better management, behavioral study और the animal ethology is a very important part. And उसके लिए कोई भी study कर सकता है, कहीं पर भी बैठकर animal को study कर सकता है. So many pioneers are there. So next we will be moving to the next question. Rakesh Kumar Mohalik, his question is, how do you determine the difference between a migrant and a resident mammal, specifically Royal Bengal tiger and ASL elephant, within a wildlife corridor, other than by visual identifiers or genetics, etc.? Hope this session could be clarified my doubts. So,
I'd
This
like to
is,
answer this question.
okay, fine. Sure.
yeah. Tell Rudra. Tell.
Ajit
You
sir,
want the question?
can I answer?
Sure.
You
हाँ,
tell.
आप
You tell Rudra.
I'll say like in to the like इसका reply में no migrant animals else and lion like elephants are long ranging animals. They are not like you can't say these are Jharkhandi elephant, these are Odisha elephant, these are Andhra elephant, these are Central India elephant. Though there are some physiological difference, उनके लिए टेरिटोरी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दे टेंड टू ट्रैवल. हम लोगों है कि ये उड़ीसा है, बंगाल है, झारखंड है, वी क्रिएटेड दो बाउंड्रीज. एनिमल्स डोंट नी बाउंड्रीज. And for elephant, we all know elephant are giant animals and they are long ranging animals. वो बहुत ज्यादा घूमते हैं. तो to define any animal as a migrant animal or this kind, I'll say it's not
resident.
good. You'll say different groups. So like ओडिया लोक, साउथ आंध्र लोक, एमपी लोक, आम भितर जमती गोटे किसी डिफरेंस आसे लुक्स रे, बट वी आर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग. Similarly, there are some kind of difference looks, like as per look, but you can't say ki like migratory birds, there are different species of bird. You can't say different kind of species. There is no different in gene, nothing. They are elephants and tigers. I'll trying to be a naturalist. Don't discriminate between states and animals from different states.
And the next question इसमें और कुछ था, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शन ऐड करा है. विदिन ए वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉरिडोर, हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट, उसने बताया कि सपोज आप विजुअल आइडेंटिफायर जेनेटिक्स एक्सेट्रा में, एनीवेज आप कैसे सपोज डिफरेंट लोकेशन के एनिमल को आप कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो
See, in a
अदर
wildlife
देन
corridor. In a wildlife
क्वेश्चन इज
corridor. Yeah, in a wildlife corridor. Suppose what I think about the question and the issue is that ki in a wildlife corridor, suppose I see a tiger or an elephant or group of elephant, then how can I know कि they are resident to that area, or they have come from other places?
They have been moved from other places.
That is the, I think, question. And
That is the
for
question.
for that reason, the main behavior, actually behavior wise, we can differentiate, because in the migration kind of thing, they are what you can say, animal migration is there. It is a behavioral or ecological kind of thing, but it is mostly seasonal. If you go to the well in ocean animals, then you go to other kind of pole region, south pole to north pole, north pole to south pole, birds and all kind of things, and there is animal migration is there, no problem. But the whole thing is that when they migratory in a migratory group, what is their behavior? Behavioral changes are a lot of things. It actually gives a differentiation, because they will start at particular time of the day, and they will finish their journey in the particular time of the. So during that time, they will not waste their time. They will be to their destination, and they will go on and all. And yes, for food they may stay somewhere, or for breeding they may stay somewhere. Like that, there are certain behaviors we can identify. Yes, this is a migratory herd, or it is a migratory group of animals, or it is a resident. In case of resident, it will take its own time. It will be more visible in those area, and over days you can find 3 to 4 times or 6 times. Then it is a resident kind of thing. But a migratory, you will never find in that same corridor again, because it is a particular time they will pass that corridor. So that
They
way
will
we
pass
say
the gap.
that way we differentiate all these things.
Okay, moving to the next question. Sangram Pradhan, how to reduce conflict between man and wildlife? Though it's
It's
a
a
very
big
common one, but it's a big one
$1 million.
and a
It's a
million dollar
million dollar
question,
question. Yes.
and many aspects are there. I think we have started our webinar from this point, conflict between मैन एनिमल, और मैन एनिमल कन्फ्लिक्ट से हमने वेबिनार शुरू करा. अभी तक हम लोग कारण ही ढूंढ रहे हैं. रिसर्च इज वन पॉइंट. फिर अगेन विल बी मूविंग टू सर ओके, हाँ बोलिए.
You see, main animal conflicts at the present situation, if you will decide, if you will think, आज का स्थिति में ये जो मेन एनिमल कन्फ्लिक्ट की इश्यूज है, व्हाई इट इज देयर, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वाइल्ड एनिमल intrude to the human habitation, and once it intrudes, the reaction we show, they get panicked, and they similarly they behave and resist everything, and there is a conflict situation. Okay, so why they are coming to the human habitation, which space we had provided them through wildlife legislation, like protected area, we say protected areas, that is sanctuary, national park, tiger reserves, and all these things. Today if we will not make them actual 100% space to them, actually to the wild animal, and if you will also disturb those areas, then they will come out. Of course they will come out. First thing is that. Second thing is, again, mostly in elephant cases, as earlier we were discussing about the migration of elephant, and Rudra Babu was telling that elephant is a long ranging animal. It is not a migration. Whatever it may be, it is a elephant movement is there. So they have a movement path, that we say it is a corridor or something. Once is the movement path or corridor is fragmented or disturbed, or anyway it is obstructed, then they will take another path, or they will choose to find another alternative path to reach their destination from one point to another point. So during taking that alternative path, they again come through the habitations, new areas, and they explore the things. Again, the person's reaction, the human behavior towards them, that agitates them actually. So there is a conflict again. So all these issues we have to find. If there is an human animal conflict, we have to first visit those space, whether I mean we have to take a lot of research background of that area. कब से आए हैं, क्यों आए थे, पहले कभी आए थे क्या, आए थे तो क्या हुआ था, ये सब को हमको डिटेल फाइंड आउट करना है, जो कि एक रिसर्चर की बहुत काम, बड़े काम होता है ये। एक से
Yes.
सोशल इश्यूज को भी वहाँ पे लाना है आपको।
लाना
ओके, तो देन ओनली वी विल फाइंड कि यस, ये 4 साल पहले इस तरफ नहीं आते थे, अभी लास्ट 4 इयर्स ये अभी आ रहे हैं। क्यों आ रहे हैं ना, उस तरफ जो जा रहे थे वहाँ एक रोड हो गया, एंड रोड का एम्बैंकमेंट भी ज़्यादा हो गया, एंड जो ब्रिज भी था जिस नाले के ऊपर उन लोगों ने नाले के साइड में जा रहे थे फ्रॉम वन साइड टू अनदर, अभी वहाँ पे जो ब्रिज हो गया वो दे आर नॉट अनेबल टू पास दैट, सो दे आर टेकिंग दिस अल्टरनेटिव पाथ, एंड देर इज लास्ट 4 साल हुआ ये चल रहा है। ये हमको पता होना चाहिए, एंड इट इज ग्राउंड बेस्ड रिसर्च होने के बाद ही वी कैन गेट द होल इश्यू, होल इंफॉर्मेशन। देन हम उसको कैसे मिटिगेट करें, दैट इज ए सेपरेट पार्ट। बट वाइल्ड एनिमल एंड ह्यूमन की जितने कन्फ्लिक्ट्स अभी शुरू हो गया है, देखिए अभी जितना हमारा प्रोटेक्शन लेवल ज़्यादा हो गया है, हम वी आर डूइंग इट ए साइंटिफिक मैनर। अभी मेरा फॉरेस्ट गार्ड्स जो हैं आज कहाँ कहाँ वो गए हैं, इट इज़ एवरीथिंग इज जियो टैग्ड, इट इज़ GPS लोकेटेड, एंड एवरीबडी कैन सी कि हाँ यहाँ पे आज ये गया है। Okay, at that level of protection measures we are carrying out. With that kind of protection measures, अब अगर ये हम शुरू कर दिए तो एनिमल बेस तो ज़्यादा होंगे, एंड ज़्यादा कौन ज़्यादा जल्दी है, वाइल्ड बोर, इट विल बी इमेंस, बिकॉज यू नो कितने बार वो कितने देते हैं लीटर, उनका क्या है, कैसे उनका ब्रीडिंग है, यू नो। देन डियर्स, देन लॉट ऑफ हेर्बिवोर्स, उनका पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होते होते जाएगा, क्योंकि हमने उनको प्रोटेक्शन दे रहे हैं। तो ये लोग
Protection.
कहाँ जाएंगे, ये लोग कहाँ जाएंगे खाने के लिए, जब अगर एक एरिया का केयरिंग कैपेसिटी से ये ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो दे विल नेचुरली कम टू द हैबिटेशन, नियर बाई हैबिटेशन, एंड देयर कन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट्स। सो अभी वाइल्ड बोर को मारने के लिए लोग क्या करते हैं, जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाता है, एक्सपोज्ड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर, वहाँ से हुकिंग करके दे गो फॉर द इलेक्ट्रिकुलेशन, बट वहाँ पे एनिमल एलिफेंट आके आ जाता है, तो एलिफेंट की डेथ हो जाता है। तो ये सारे जो इश्यूज हैं, ये वाइल्ड एनिमल एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट की इश्यू है, जो कि हमने एक रास्ता बना दिया जिसको कि हमने मिटिगेट नहीं किया। सो ये सबको हमको एड्रेस करना है थ्रू द रिसर्च। दिस काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च इज आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, एंड इट इज़ वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड। एटलीस्ट मैं तो अभी यंग रिसर्चर्स को ये बोलूँगा कि अपना एरिया में भी इसको शुरू कर दीजिए, कहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, एंड यू फाइंड आउट द एरिया एंड हेल्प द लोकल फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट। आप लोकल फॉरेस्ट अथॉरिटीज के पास जाइए, DFO के पास जाइए, एंड यू गो टू
सर
द
लिटिल
एंड यू कैन
थोड़ा सा इंटरवेंशन चाहिए, बिकॉज एक स्टूडेंट वन क्वेश्चन जिसने पूछा था वो ऐड हो रहा है। ओके, सो आई एम एडिंग एंड लेट हिम टू पुट हिज क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। वीडियो पे वो ऐड होने चाहिए, वीडियो पे वो ऐड होने चाहिए। सर इसको मैं निकाल देती हूँ पहले। सर इसको मैं निकाल देती हूँ पहले। या
हाँ, हेलो प्रत्युष,
Piyush,
यस,
yeah.
हाँ हेलो प्रत्युष,
Pratyush, can you
Good
hear?
evening, sir.
Pratyush, can you hear?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah. आप एक करो, give a brief intro and put your questions. Give a brief intro and put your questions.
Sir, my name is Pratyush Kumar Mallo. I am a marine biology student of Parampur University.
ओके,
Hello.
यस
Yes,
यस, वी आर
you
हियरिंग
continue. बोलते रहो.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, my question is there is a huge gap between the government employee and the local people. During the time of I think hello.
यस यस,
Ma'am,
कंटिन्यू।
there is network issue, I think.
नहीं, हम सुन
नहीं,
रहे
वो
हैं,
तुम-
आप बताइए।
We can hear you.
हाँ sir.
We can hear you.
आप कंप्लीट करो, क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करो।
Sir, there is a huge gap. Hello. Sir, there is a huge gap between the local people and the government employee. I think the main problem is the communication. There is a huge gap, huge communication between the government employee and the local people.
Yes.
The government's rule cannot মানে actually মানে don't reach in the ground level.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Then
that we lost our many wildlife. So that we lost our many wildlife animals.
okay, you are
Sir,
telling कि
being a marine biology student,
yes.
sir, being a marine biology student, I saw many fishermen caught the endangered species, endangered many fish species, so that it will harmful for our living society. There is no restriction for the for the fisherman, so that we lost our many endangered species. Sir, I saw at Gopalpur, mainly Gopalpur. I worked at Gopalpur during my MSc life.
Okay, okay, Pratyush. So,
One thing I want to add, he had the question earlier, so I want
हाँ
to
हाँ.
put the same question again. He had the
Uh,
question earlier, उसका जो question पहले वाला था,
no, that is a good question.
पहले वाला था.
Yeah, that is a good question.
No, his
I had
question
also.
was, was the problem regarding with communication between normal people and the government, or a government related employee or research person, so that somehow we are unable to protect our nature. Yes.
Let him suggest what should be what he wants. What he wants. You tell now. What should be the situation? What kind of expectations you require? You want?
Sir, I think a proper law should be necessary for that issue. Proper law. Due to lack of proper law, we not only me, we all are facing problem.
See,
So
Pratyush.
that I think every year we faced natural calamities.
See, Pratyush. We have lot of laws and acts in India. Okay, isn't it? बट डू यू थिंक जितने भी लॉज है एक्ट है इसके लिए हमारा पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया है? अभी ड्राइविंग ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस की एक लॉ है.
सर और एक बार बोलिए.
हमारे पास बहुत सारे एक्ट्स है, लॉज है. ओके, हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे लॉज है, एक्ट्स है. लेकिन डू यू थिंक कि इसके लिए सब प्रॉब्लम हमारा सॉल्व हो गया है?
लॉ प्रॉपरली इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है ग्राउंड लेवल में.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो नहीं हो रहा है इसका मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे इश्यूज है. इसीलिए इट इज नॉट द ओनली सोल्यूशन कि हम लॉ बना दिए तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. मेन
सर जो लोकल पीपुल है वो लोग फियर से वो हम माने एवरी ईयर वो करके आ रहे हैं.
सुनिए, हमारा हमारा जो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि आप जो रिसर्च वहाँ पे लोकल है, वहाँ पे आप जाके लोकल लोगों के साथ, वो जो फिशरमैन है उनके साथ बैठिए, बातचीत करिए एंड उनको आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए ना. वो जो स्पेसीज जो स्पेसीज उनको जरूरत नहीं है एंड दोज आर रेयर एंड एंडेंजर्ड, उसको कैसे रेस्क्यू किया जाए, उनको फिर कैसे छोड़ दिया जाए. अगर उन्होंने कैच में आ गए तो उसको कैसे छोड़ दिया जाए. इफ इट इज ए फ्री जोन टू फिशिंग एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बट इफ इट इज ए फ्री जोन दैट डजंट मीन कि एक रेयर स्पेसिस नहीं आएगा और कैच में नहीं आएगा. ओके, तो हमने अगर उन लोगों के साथ बैठ के उनको एजुकेट करेंगे, अवेयरनेस करवाएंगे कि ये एनिमल्स अगर आ जाए, ये फिश अगर आ गया, हम उसको ऐसे हिसाब से फिर छोड़ देना है, तो बहुत सारे हमारा प्रॉब्लम हम इसमें कवर कर सकते हैं. एम आई राइट?
Sir, actually due to network problem, I unable to see or unable. Hello.
ओके,
अच्छा तो
I unable to listen your word.
ओके.
Sir,
He has
okay.
a audio problem.
Pratyush, can you connect after some time or something? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, there is a huge network issue.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Now
okay.
I'm okay, fine. ଏବେ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ବାହାର କରୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଆସିବ then you can connect again. Okay. Yes. Uh, just yes. I think network issues है, but his point was good कि मतलब बहुत सारे endangered
कैच में आ जाते हैं, दैट इज
कैश में आ जाते हैं और उसको वो मार लेते हैं या फिर कुछ भी एंड इट इज हैपनिंग नॉट ओनली मराइन साइंस ये तो कहीं पर भी होता है कि हम वी आर नॉट अवेयर कि विच वन इज इम्पोर्टेंट कौन सा शेड्यूल स्पीसीज है कौन सा नहीं है हमको चाहिए या फिर नहीं चाहिए सो वी टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ ऑल द एनिमल्स एंड दैट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट व्हाट यू टोल्ड दैट वी हैव टू अवेयर द पीपल पीपल लोगों को एडुकेट करने का है हम व्हाट वी आर रीडिंग इन द बुक व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द बुक दैट हैव टू रीच टू द ग्राउंड बेस्ड लेवल पर लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए मे भी कुछ सोल्यूशन निकल जाए यू वांट टू हैव सम व्यूज ऑन दिस वन
नो, इट्स ऑल राइट.
रुद्र ओके ना
Next, we'll go to next.
Next question is
Nature is our solution.
nature is our solutions how and how to conserve
How
nature
to
in a
conserve
modern
nature?
way
Modern way. Wow, he's thinking. We should ask her actually. We should ask her
so
actually
she
कि
could not
what he.
connect
Okay, okay.
she could not connect यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का इशू ज्यादा आ रहा है तो कोई भी कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है
फोन नंबर में हो सकता है क्या? Can we call her?
I called her in the afternoon but her phone she is in Jharsuguda so maybe
Okay.
वो एक कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है so I tried to call
नहीं,
but
हमको
they didn't have.
उनको जो दिमाग में कुछ है जो मॉडर्न वे में है सी इज टेलिंग तो दिमाग में उनका जरूर कुछ होगा कि दीज आर माने हर सजेशन शुड कम फॉरवर्ड कि क्या हो सकता है एनीथिंग काइंड ऑफ मॉडर्न इश्यू बट एज शी हैज रेज्ड दिस इश्यू आई विल आस्क रुद्र बाबू प्लीज टेल यू आर द मॉडर्न रेस्क्यूअर एंड ऑल
आयल से ये देखने के बाद मुझे एक चीज दिमाग में सोनम वांगचुक का रिसेंटली जो एक कैंपेन स्टार्ट हुआ था लिव सिंपली
That's the best one.
तो आयल से कि
Simple
नाउ डेज वी आर हाँ दैट्स द मेन अगर आप जो है जो रिसोर्सेस हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं इफ वी कैन मिनिमाइज इट बिकॉज नेचर इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस इज नेचर अगर मॉडर्न वे में करना है तो वी हैव टू कनेक्ट आवर सेल्फ टू आवर पास्ट पहले हम लोगों के पास बाइक नहीं था साइकिल नाउ डू साइकिलिंग फॉर एक्सरसाइज
एंड इट इज
बाइक में यूज
आल्सो
कर रहे हैं when we
हमारे
have
हमारा जो
facility,
फॉरेस्ट
we are exploiting
हमारे जो MOEF है MOEF में जो हमारे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर यूनियन की जो फॉरेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट मिनिस्टर है वो भी उनका भी वही राय था कि लिविंग विथ लेस ओके लिविंग विथ लेस सो इट इज़ ए रियल जैसे हम कह रहे हैं कि सिंपल लिविंग हमको जितना चाहिए उसको लेके चलना ये बहुत बड़ा माने दिस विल गिव ए वेरी गुड रिजल्ट इन कंजर्विंग द नेचर
one thing we can add minimalist मतलब
मिनिमलिस्ट
उसको
यस
बोलते
यस
हैं
यस
मिनिमलिस्ट द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट
मिनिमलिस्ट
आपको जितना चाहिए आप उतना लो सो दैट नेचर सेफ रहेगा जैसे नहीं कि हमको जितना चाहिए नहीं हम नेचर से सारा लेना शुरू कर देते हैं तो दैट इज द थिंग नेचर इज आवर सोल्यूशन बट हर क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू कंजर्व इन अ मॉडर्न वे आप मॉडर्न भी बनो फिर नेचर को कंजर्व करो ये तो हो गया कि हमको मतलब डेवलपमेंट चाहिए along with the development.
Yes, it is a very technical issue if we analyze in that angle also. See, in this modern kind of the word modern comes means development comes actually, and it is all related to the development economy, global economy, माने you can say global economization, and all these things are related actually. So if we see, and in the global economization and these things, poverty again it is coming. So United Nations in its agenda of the SDG, it is telling that poverty should be eradicated. And if poverty should be eradicated and in a sustainable manner, then infrastructure development has to come. If infrastructure development has to come, then roads, bridges, buildings, everything has to come. Minimum roads, you
Yes,
can
yes,
say.
yes.
Today, yeah, tomorrow it is given key. There is no requirement of giving two times of forest land या नॉन फॉरेस्ट लैंड के इक्विवेलेंट फॉरेस्ट लैंड देना नहीं चाहिए आपको रोड सेक्टर में. ओके, बिकॉज एमोर्थ जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, उसको यूजर एजेंसी बना दिया गया है. तो ये अगर यूजर एजेंसी बना दिया गया तो वो सेंट्रल की हो गया. एंड एज पर द एक्ट सेंट्रल एजेंसीज के अगर कोई लैंड ले रहे हैं, फॉरेस्ट लैंड में कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो उनको देना नहीं पड़ेगा इक्विवेलेंट लैंड. सो जो भी फॉरेस्ट लैंड अभी है, इफ इट इज़ ए डिग्रेडेड फॉरेस्ट लैंड, उसका 2 टाइम्स में वो कॉम्पनसेटरी एफोरेस्टेशन बनाएंगे. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि एवरीबडी इज कंसर्न नाउ कि क्या होगा, क्या है, कैसे होगा, ये कहाँ, इसका इफेक्ट कितना पड़ेगा. तो इसमें जो मॉडर्निटी जो है, उसमें हमको टेक्नोलॉजिकल जो इंटरवेंशन हम कर रहे हैं फॉर डेवलपमेंट, मॉडर्न डेवलपमेंट के लिए, उसमें हमको वाइल्ड लाइफ के इम्पैक्ट को स्टडी करना है. एंड उसमें भी हमको टेक्नोलॉजिकली सोल्यूशन देना है, जो कि बहुत बड़ा एरिया है वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्च के लिए. हमने वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्च में अभी तक तैयार नहीं कर पाए कि अगर एक मेट्रो हम भुवनेश्वर में हम चलाएंगे तो उसका इफेक्ट चंदका तक या एंटायर वाइल्ड एनिमल जितने एरियाज में है भुवनेश्वर में, उसके ऊपर कैसे आएगा. वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्टडी दैट. सो वी हैव टू एबल टू स्टडी दैट फर्स्ट, देन वी हैव टू आस्क द इंजीनियर्स गो फॉर द मिटिगेशन मेजर्स इन दैट वे. सपोज हमने एक एनएच बना रहे हैं, 4 लेनिंग बना रहे हैं, इट इज़ गोइंग थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट एंड रूरल एरियाज. तो उसमें बहुत सारे इशू. आई वाज प्लानिंग रोड फ्रॉम जगतपुर टू चांदवली. इट वाज गोइंग थ्रू पटामुंडाई, केंद्रापड़ा एंड राजनगर एरिया, ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. The road now it is going Jagatpur to, that is a state highway. And you won't believe, we have to put minimum 58 reptile bridges there because it is a totally flooded area. Once
Yes.
rain is there, it is the low lying area, and we are putting embankment of the road very high, so there will be a lot of ponding. And once it is a ponding kind of thing, the reptiles, they cannot cross that road. Actually, it is so big, and a lot of death will be there for the reptiles. And so we provided 58 reptile passes, reptile bridges in that area. So that will be, now it will be totally mitigated, you can say. So those things we have to research out, and we have to put in our road structure, in our development structure. Suppose we are going an industrial SEZ kind of thing in a forested area. So if there are elephant movement paths are there, elephant or animal movement paths are there, we should not go for compound wall kind of thing to restrict any kind of thing. In that movement area, we have to identify, and we have to make such coverage and everything that animal can pass immediately, easily through that path, but the industry safety measures and everything will also be intact. So we have to design in those things in that way, so that there will be a lot of conservation and there will be reduce in conflicts. And another thing is that in the modern way, you have to, the issue is that relocation. हमारा जितना प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज अभी है, उसको तो हम एनिमल्स के लिए रखना है. वहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं उसके अंदर, दे आर नॉट बेटर लिविंग, उनका नहीं है, उनका वॉइस नहीं है, वो नहीं बोल पाते कि हमको ले जाओ आप. दैट इज़ द होल प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज पावर ग्रुप भी है वहाँ का, वो चाहते नहीं कि ये लोग जाएं वहाँ से. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका जमी बाड़ी सब ये लोग करते हैं वहाँ पे रह के. तो उन्होंने दबाव देते हैं कि अगर तुम जाओगे तो तुमको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ये दिस इज द बेयर फैक्ट ऑफ द पीपल. बट दो वी हैव टू लिसन दोज पीपल, एंड हम उनको बाहर लाना है. किसको नहीं चाहिए बाहर का ज़िंदगी? किसको? मुझे तो अभी, मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ, मैं ये आनंदपुर में हूँ, मेरा बेटा भुवनेश्वर में पढ़े, मेरा बेटा सोच रहा है कि उसका बेटा दिल्ली में पढ़े, उसका बेटा वो सोचेगा कि न्यूयॉर्क में पढ़ेगा. कौन नहीं चाहता है कि मेन स्ट्रीम में जाना है? सो ये जो लोग अंदर है, एंड वहाँ पॉपुलेशन भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है, जो प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया एनिमल्स के लिए है, हम वहाँ पे जाके बैठे हैं, बहुत सारी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन. हम चाहते हैं आने के लिए, लेकिन हमारा उनका वॉइस हमको सुनना है, हम उनको केयरिंग करना है। ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अभी किसी मेरा अपना बेटा को भी अगर छोड़ दूँ कहीं सिटीज़ में, तो वो तो घूम जाएगा वो वहाँ पे। तो इट इज़ नॉट दैट उनको लेके आके छोड़ देना हम, तो ये लोग यहाँ पे हम मेन स्ट्रीम में आ जाएगा। उनको हैंड होल्डिंग करना पड़ेगा, 3 साल 4 साल तक उनके साथ रहना है, उनको इकोनॉमी में जोड़ना है। लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज आर देयर इन रिलोकेशन. Once we are doing those things and we are creating spaces for the wild animal conservation, and nature will take care of the conservation, I think.
Yes. Nature will take care of the conservation, and again एक चीज है कि we cannot avoid the road and connectivity, all these things, and जितने सारे NH होते हैं तो they all move through a dense forested patch और forest areas में ही जाते हैं। जैसे for example right now I am writing a conservation plan, for site specific conservation plan for Bharatmala project. That NH is passing some 400 kilometer to NH, and that is passing from Chhattisgarh to Visakhapatnam. पूरा एकदम that is passing through whole stretch of Odisha and covering almost all the dense forest. So we cannot avoid that thing. But the most important thing is impact study. What the best possible, कितना impact हो सकता है starting from the soil to the air, कहाँ कहाँ impact हो सकता है, and the best one is mitigation measures. और अगर हम डेवलपमेंट चाहते हैं, मिटिगेशन इज द पक्का, उसको लेने का है, करने का है, एंड इन नो केस वी शुड नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द मिटिगेशन मेजर। एंड जब हम सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसमें नेचर को लेके आने का है। ओके, नेचर इज योर सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर, मे बी इन दिस वे वी कैन कनेक्ट सोल्यूशन के पार्ट में हम नेचर को जितना भी इन्वॉल्व कर सकें। मिटिगेशन और सोल्यूशन का जो पार्ट होता है, लेट द नेचर टू बी पार्ट ऑफ आवर्स। तो शायद उसमें कुछ ऐसे मॉडर्न भी हो जाए। विथ ऑल द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स एंड द फैसिलिटीज वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द नेचर। एंड एक वर्ड है ग्रीन इकोनॉमी, आप बोल रहे थे कि ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी एंड मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर। ग्रीन इकोनॉमी वी कैन से इज very new approach. We have to calculate the value of our greenery. अब हमारे पास जो भी रिसोर्सेस है उसका अगर इकोनॉमी थोड़ा निकाल देना, तो आई थिंक वो कहाँ
No, it is.
काफी हद तक
It
वो
is.
सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड।
Yes, Gayatri, it is there actually. If you will if you will visit the Indian Institute of Forest Management, और I think NTCA की जो है वो वेबसाइट है projecttiger.nic, उसमें you will find कि IIFM Indian Institute of Forest Management in Bhopal, they have already documented it, and they have already published the I think 9 टाइगर रिजर्व, नाउ इट इज 15 टाइगर रिजर्व्स की वैल्यू क्या है, इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू, वो कितने पानी देते हैं, कितना सॉइल देते हैं, कितना, दे हैव ऑलरेडी वैल्यूड इट, एंड एवरी डे उनका सम करोड्स ऑफ रुपीज दे आर गिविंग टू अस ह्यूमैनिटी, they have already valued it. Okay, so you can download it and you can study it. So that is a very good जो कहते हैं कि हम इकोनॉमी कितना, हाँ, हमको एक लैंडस्केप जो प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज है, फॉरेस्ट है, वो कितना हमारे इकोनॉमी को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, फाइनेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, इट इज देयर एक्चुअली, दे हैव स्टडीड।
नॉट ओनली प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया, हमको सारे जहाँ पर भी नेचुरल है, लेट इट भी कोई मतलब रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट हो, कहीं पर भी हमको वो इकोनॉमी लेने का है।
नहीं, अभी उन्होंने टाइगर रिजर्व को बेस किया है, एक टाइगर रिजर्व की वैल्यू क्या है, they have studied in that way. Then there is a software based formulas and all kind of thing, you can do it for any landscape, yeah, any landscape.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, moving to the next question. Dr. Kumaresh Behra's question is, why do we fail to protect our elephants or other wild animals and prevent smuggling?
Yes, it is a concerned issue for
Rudra.
this elephant death. Rudra.
I won't say कि we protect our animals or stopping the trade. Yeah, it is happening, as well as the protection is happening somehow. Like the communication and everything. We are trying our best to, they are trying their best to smuggle the animals. So it's a regular fight. Sometimes we go ahead, sometimes like clever. So it's not, I'll say it's not right ki we are failing to protect our animals. I have to understand that the habitat is shrinking. We have a limited resource. Human requirement is day by day increasing, and
Yes.
the animal habitat is shrinking day by day. So this is the major cause, and place to say conflict will happen, and animal or human, any casualty will happen. So that's how I'll say ki we, this is not a immediate process. It will take some time, because like the conflict, it did not rise in one day. It took some year to conflict, as well as the trend, the smuggle trend. I was checking the news that another leopard skin was seized in Nayagarh today or yesterday, I think. So we are taking steps to stop these trades, and we have to be more, like we have to come together, like all the agencies, the enforcement agencies. Not only have to be ourselves, like they are working in a organized manner. We have to work, we have to be
More
efficient, like a
organized,
modern way. The previous question was there, how to conserve in a modern way. We have
modern
to
way.
adopt the
Yes.
modern technologies now. We have to adapt the network strategy. We have to understand this strategy, and like involve other enforcement agencies with us. So we don't have to say okay, why we involve police department. Why, if required, we can we have to involve Interpol also, because the
Yes.
trade is not only is going out of our country. So Interpol we can involve. So we are not lagging behind. Both the parties, they're trying their best. Sometime like one person win and other person get affected. So we are not failing.
Improving and we have to improve a lot. अगर स्मगलर्स उनका नेटवर्क है तो हमारा नेटवर्क उनसे ज़्यादा बेटर होना चाहिए एंड दैट इन दैट वे सर आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे इसके ऊपर?
Yes, so another major issue is Rudra told also. Another major issue I can add. What is the problem in preventing smuggling and all these things. See, we have the Wildlife Act in the 1972. It is 48 years back, and since that we had not a organized and scientific and base of investigation to a wildlife crime. We had not. Last you will find after initiation of Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, all kind of this investigation part is very much scientific way we are doing, and this will increase the conviction rate of those offenders in the court. Once the conviction rate is more, and good decisions will come from the judiciary court on the wildlife crime and all, you will find ki people will start fearing and all kind of things. Okay, so last 10 years, you can 5 to 6 years, you will find कि when the smuggling is at the peak also, the crime detection, scientific way of investigation, and the judiciary inclination and judiciary
Inquiry.
interest to stop the, yeah, all these things are also rising. So it has a great impact on the offenders and all things. So the organized crimes and organized smugglers, they will start fearing to or they will apprehend any kind of bad thing to them if they go for a wildlife crime. That kind of situation has to come, then only we can prevent the smuggling and all. Suppose I will detect a smuggler today and I will arrest him, but I will forward him to the EA. But if it is not a scientific way and if there will be some flaw, the court will immediately give a bail to that person. Okay, that has again a negative impact on the society. क्या ओके ये क्या हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ उनको, वो तो गया
उसको
कोर्ट
पकड़
में
लिया
फिर
फिर
चला
भी
आया,
छूट गया।
छोड़ दिया। तो उनको ये सब इश्यूज को हमको डील करना है, एंड साइंटिफिक वे हमको बोलना है कि नहीं नहीं ये होना नहीं चाहिए कोर्ट को। तो कोर्ट को ये बताना है कि ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ये दीज आर द इश्यूज, बिकॉज दे जुडिशियरी प्रोसीजर इज वेरी डिफरेंट यू नो. सो हम अभी ये कर रहे हैं सब, वाइल्ड लाइफ क्राइम कंट्रोल ब्यूरो में ये जो आ रहा है, हमको भी टीचिंग दे रहे हैं. हम नीचे फॉरेस्ट गार्ड फॉरेस्टर लोगों को ये कह रहे हैं, हमारा जो
Yes.
राइटिंग प्रोसीजर है कोर्ट को, हमारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोसीजर, साइंटिफिक बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ये सब हम कर रहे हैं. अभी कन्विक्शन रेट जब बढ़ते बढ़ते जाएगा, ये इसका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा आएगा सोसाइटी पे.
तो लोगों को दिखना चाहिए कि क्राइम करने का नतीजा क्या होता है, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, तब जाके आई थिंक वो क्राइम का रेट कुछ कम होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन Prasanna Kumar Bhala, what are the scopes for an individual to research independently and to know more about wildlife research? But important question यहाँ पर है कि independent researcher. तो I think in the initial we are focusing on independent researcher कैसे कोई बन सकता है. तो बस ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लाइट अप कर सकते हैं इसके ऊपर. बिना कोई PhD किए कुछ भी करे
Should-
तो इंडिपेंडेंटली
should I-
हम कैसे अपना या यू कैन
Okay, see, independently, I tell
सर
as हाँ मैं
लेट
पहुंच
रुद्र लास्ट वो मैंने बोले थे, तो आप उनको पहले स्टार्ट कर ले, फिर हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे.
हाँ yeah Rudra tell.
See, nobody is stopping you to do any kind of research. If you are observing something, note it down, try to like sort it and find some solution for it. Like there are like commoners, I will say villagers, sometimes they do some observation which is very valuable. Even scientists can do those kind of observation, because if you are seeing something, try to look at it, try to go deep at it. Animal behavioral observation, you will say anybody can do. And if you can pen it down properly, I'll say even the bigger like the scientific paper, they will accept your paper, your observation. And research is very useful for any kind of like nobody is stopping you, and you can publish your paper, you can publish your observation. If you are not like doing it as a scientific paper, try to write it as a like in a popular
Sir,
article.
communications.
Sanctuary Asia is a
Sir.
very good platform for popular article. There are a lot of other like magazines there. Or there are like the past and research is, I'll say ki it's very useful.
Yes. Okay. सर आप
यस रुद्रा वो जो बोले तो ये बहुत अच्छा बात बोले कि anybody can start a research, no problem. The issue is that if somebody is doing a PhD or specialized in wildlife and all, they can do better. We expect more better from them, actually. That is the issue. And what exactly we are expecting as a manager from those lot, we are not getting it. And there is a big gap, as we have discussed in this platform also. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, जब हम ये वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्च को लाइवलीहुड की हिसाब से देखते हैं. अगर इफ वी डिपेंड ऑन द लाइवलीहुड, ऑन आवर लाइवलीहुड ऑन दिस वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसर्च, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम कम. कैसे आपको करना है, क्या करना है. नहीं तो इंडिपेंडेंटली आप तो शुरू कर सकते हैं रिसर्च, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. कैसे करेंगे आप? अगर मैं चाहता हूँ करने के लिए, कैसे करूँगा मैं? मेरा ये इश्यू है कि मेरा लोकल एरिया में क्या फॉरेस्ट है, क्या वाइल्ड लाइफ इश्यूज है. आई हैव टू फर्स्ट डिग इट आउट, क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. देन वो जो लोकल फॉरेस्टर है, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं, उनके साथ मेरा पहला ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड उनके साथ पहला कंसल्टेशन एंड काउंसिल, एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट होना चाहिए पब्लिक. देन आप नियर बाई लोगों को पब्लिक कंसल्टेशन चाहिए. देन आप दोनों का जो गैप्स है उसको फाइंड आउट करिए. देन विद दोज गैप्स यू डिस्कस विद द फॉरेस्ट अथॉरिटी, जो है डिवीजन लेवल पे है या रेंज लेवल पे है, जो भी आप जाके बातचीत करिए कि ये दीज आर द इश्यूज. ये सब इशू हो रहा है मेरा लोकेलिटी में, और ये एरिया आप अगर ये करेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। तो नोबडी विल आपको आपको कोई ऐसा नहीं कि दे विल, ऐसे तो कोई नहीं है। ये इफ यू स्टार्ट हेल्पिंग द डिपार्टमेंट इन absorbing these issues, problems of the local area, they will greet you, they will welcome you. And there, once you are tying with the department, you will find a lot of opportunity for livelihood also, because a lot of scopes are there in the division level to find a lot of things. क्या हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है, आपका GIS बेस्ड कुछ बना दिया, आपका ये इस एरिया में क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या ये सब जब आप सप्लीमेंट करेंगे डिपार्टमेंट को, तो आपका लाइवलीहुड भी वहाँ हो सकता है। देर आर स्कोप्स एक्चुअली, देर इज, मैंने ऐसा नहीं कि स्कोप नहीं है। सो अगर जैसे हमारा अभी बाढ़ के
And
जो,
sir,
सॉरी,
there are some small grants are also
या
available
स्मॉल
with
ग्रांट्स आर
different
देयर। यू
organizations.
सी यू सी अभी जैसे कैच की बारे में बताएं, ही इज टेलिंग कि रेयर स्पेसीज आर कमिंग। क्या क्या रेयर स्पेसीज आ रहा है, कब आ रहा है, कौन सा टाइम में आ रहा है, ये कौन सा जोन एरिया में, ये रेस्ट्रिक्टेड जोन जाके ये आ रहे हैं, ये सब अगर हम रिसर्च आउट करेंगे एंड DFO एंड लोकल फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर को बताएंगे, तो जो हमारे पास पैसा है प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, स्क्वाड के लिए, उस कॉन्टीजेंसी के लिए, वहाँ से कुछ फंडिंग भी हम कर सकते हैं फॉर फर्दर स्ट्रैटेजी बनाने के लिए, फर्दर रिसर्च करने के लिए, to find out solution and all. So we can spend. There is absolutely no problem. That should be that. Actually, I expect those things to happen.
Uh, okay. Perception varies from person to person. आप, yeah, you continue. उसके बाद I will say. Gayatri, you were saying something?
See, I'll say that apart from government funding, some non-governmental funding also available. Different kind of funds are there. You can get. Even WTI has a small grant project. We called it RAP, Rapid Action Program. So
Yes.
you get a small amount of money, around 1.5 lakh rupees, is given as a grant for the like the right proposal. So if you want to do research independently and you have like good base on it, you have good hold on that topic, then fund is not a problem these days, I'll say.
Okay. That's
Even
a
you
very
can
good
generate
sign.
crowdfunding these days.
यस, क्राउड फंडिंग आप कर सकते हो। फिर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो भी इस
People do
रिसोर्स
research with
सेक्टर में काम,
crowdfunding.
हाँ, पीपल, बट आई थिंक डिपार्टमेंट के साथ आप मिलकर काम करो, उनका जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको फाइंड आउट करके देन यू ट्राई टू गिव ए सोल्यूशन टू इट। इट वर्क्स इन ए बेटर कोऑर्डिनेटेड वे। बट और एक चीज है, सारे डिवीजन के जो अथॉरिटीज हैं वो भी उतने ओपन हार्टेडली सबको वेलकम करना चाहिए। अगर कोई करता है तो दैट्स वेल एंड गुड, आप उसके साथ जाके काम
See,
कर सकते हो।
I'd like to add one thing.
यस,
We have to understand doing research. Hello, am I audible?
हाँ,
Yeah.
If you are doing
समटाइम्स
research,
ब्रेकिंग।
you can't ignore their authority. You can't ignore their authority. You have to work with
यस,
forest department with their permission, because you will need permission for wildlife research. So if you there was another, it happened. Forest department to know everything. They are the managers of forest. They are not researchers. There might be some like individuals forest officer who know research, but it's not their primary job. Their primary job is to manage our forest, manage our wildlife. So if you want to do research, you have to accept their authority and go with due permission everything. Funding, I'll say funding is not a problem. Forest, there are a lot who can give you funding, lot of research organization who can give you funding, but you have to go through procedure. That's with the right procedure, I'll say.
प्रोसीजर, राइट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड राइट अथॉरिटी, उसके साथ अब तीनों मिलकर सबको एक ही साथ में मिलकर काम करने का है कि देन ओनली रिसर्चर भी कर
Yes.
सकता है या फिर जो प्रोफेशनल रिसर्चर है वो भी अपना कैरियर कर सकता है इस सेक्टर में। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, I think related to this one. how can MSc student take part in conservation activities? So wait, मतलब main question है कि MSc student actually she wanted to be a part of this live session but वो connect नहीं कर पाए मधुस्मिता किशन. So we have to at the end we have to put the question in a test format. MSc student कैसे research activities या फिर conservation में participate कर सकते हैं? So can we relate कि वो independent जैसे अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे independent researcher, we can also include them in that category. MSc के student है.
Yes. Should I speak?
Yeah.
Okay. See, as a student, she should know actually what are the research going on at present by the WTI or WII or a lot of NGOs are there. So list of researchers what are going on in her near place or in nearby places. If she has a knowledge about that, she can directly approach the research group. Okay, I want to associate myself. So nobody will stop her. Okay, no,
Stop.
you don't come. Yeah, nobody will stop her. So that is a part. Second part is that where suppose CJ MSc student in a particular institution. So her institution head should collaborate with the department, forest department, or the persons who are research groups are there. So they can facilitate to what you can
Involve the
say,
students. बच्चों को
involve the
involve कर
students in
सकते
the,
हैं.
yeah, that should be an agenda actually, as in other other subjects there is internship and all kind of thing. They can also because if some MSc students they will go to Rudra and tell ki sir we want to go for rescue with you, whether he will deny it, he will not deny. He will start giving them the space within the, because it is a voluntary effect. You have to
Yes.
volunteer yourself. So, suppose there is a WCCB, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. They are asking for the volunteers also. They in their website they have plotted it. Ki, come join us as volunteers, so that you can expose to wildlife crime and all everything. So, lot of areas are there. You have to come forward. That's the thing.
और यहाँ पर बस मैं ऐड करना
Yes,
चाहती
with the
हूँ जो
modern technology, I will say कि with the modern technology is very informed. If you जिसको भी involve होना है, they can search for there lot of organizations who need volunteers. If you want to involve, first you have to learn. If you are doing MSc wildlife, you know how to get involved. If you are in a other stream and you want to get involved with wildlife in any way, just Google. I'll say ki we got a very good tool, Google. Just Google it, you'll find a lot of organizations, scopes, volunteering opportunities, job opportunities, internship. There are a lot of things involved. Apply them. If you are selected, you are in.
so many opportunities are there. यहाँ पर मैं I want to add एक what line ऐड करना चाहूँगी. आज Grow with Nature हमारा जो भी प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, we are also welcoming the students to work as interns. इंटर्न के तरह हम लोग उनको इनवाइट भी करते हैं, आप आके काम कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमारे पास जो भी फंडिंग हो छोटा मैंने वाट एवर द फंडिंग इज देयर, तो हम उसमें लोगों को इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लाइक दैट मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर आल्सो देयर टू इन्वॉल्व देम फॉर द फंडिंग. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Lakshmi Ranjan Das, what is the status of tiger population in India?
See, roughly around 3,000 tigers, you will say, because the last census was done in 2018. It was 2,956, I think that time it was there. So now I'll say roughly around 3,000 tigers are. Hello.
हेलो। हाँ, आप
Hello.
बीच बीच में फ्रीज हो जाते
हाँ.
हो, मतलब स्टील टाइप का। ओके, सो somehow
I don't know.
around,
There is some problem, I think. हाँ.
ओके चलिए।
So I'll. Hello. हाँ.
हेलो। हाँ,
I'll say कि don't chase numbers. Don't chase numbers. Always try to study the animal. Try to study their like presence, what they and all. And as per his question, there are roughly around 3,000 tigers in India now.
moving to one of the most valuable, important question for this sir.
Which one? Which one?
Sir,
Just I was
the question.
disconnected.
Yes, I know you disconnected. I thought some network issues are there. Okay, sir,
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
question is on the screen. Satya Acharya, research scholar.
Achha.
His
Okay,
question
okay, okay. Remote sensing, yes, or use sector in any kind of research, and it is maybe wildlife direction. Okay, you see, that is again another issue. I will tell ki remote sensing and GIS based everything. All researchers are now based. Okay, so every division, if you will see ki every forest divisions, they also require a GIS based platform in their whole division to look to strengthen their decision making in giving proper solution to the problems, wildlife issues. Because the GIS platform is so I think the scope is very bright for them, and the department is also planning to have a GIS lab in every division, so that GIS experts will be there and to facilitate the managers in taking decisions in wildlife conservation.
hopes that you have your answers. Then the next question is, because she's really a wildlife enthusiast and she was trying a lot to connect, but वो connect नहीं हो पाई, maybe network issues था। उसका यह है कि paper publication is an important factor in wildlife research, which is easier for a student who is already associated with an institution or a renowned person. But what for a wildlife enthusiast who wants to work in wildlife field but has no good connections and also wishes to publish his or her observations but has no proper guidance was to do so? What she should? इस सारे इश्यूज हम शायद अभी डिस्कशन कर रहे थे।
हाँ, हमने कर लिया है ये. We have discussed the issues.
बट आप रुद्र, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? ऐड
To
करना
publish
चाहेंगे
to
इसमें?
publish a paper, you don't need any it's a wrong thought. You need connection to publish your paper. So if your observation is good, if your data is correct, you will get published. It's not a problem. Connection doesn't matter.
Okay. आप अपना ऑब्जर्वेशन
It helps you.
जरूरी नहीं,
Connection helps you. It will guide you.
ऐसे
Yes,
जरूरी
yes,
नहीं कि
please.
आप हर वक्त एक बड़ी सी रिसर्च जर्नल में आपका पब्लिकेशन हो, इसे जरूरी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। वॉट एवर योर ऑब्जर्वेशन, जैसे अभी थोड़े पहले से रुद्र बता रहे थे कि हम छोटा सा शॉर्ट कम्युनिकेशन दे सकते हैं, या फिर अपना व्हाट दैट कॉल, एक आपको बता रहे थे सेंचुरी, ऐसे साइंटिफिक पेपर भी हम लोग पब्लिश कर सकते हैं। सो इन एनी
Even
वे,
local newspapers and yeah, news dailies, they will welcome your columns and all. I think it is
हाँ,
a
जैसे हम
very
लोग
big.
अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो वेबसाइट है उसमें हम ब्लॉग के करो भी हम अलाउ करते हैं कि चलो आज ब्लॉग आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो। तो इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ, आपको जो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है आप उसको कन्वे करो लोगों तक, कुछ हेल्प हो जो डायरेक्टली हो या फिर इनडायरेक्टली। सो इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ, अगर आप प्रोफेशन में नहीं हो तो भी आप कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Sasmita Sahu, she is having a question. Does species diversity follow any pattern? Very big question, ecological related. स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी कोई पैटर्न को फॉलो
It's
करता
a
है क्या?
wide thing actually. It's difficult to summarize this way. It's not a small subject. Let's say.
But
Species diversity
uh,
follow any pattern. It has lot of branches.
now, do you think
We
that
have
it
to be
follow a
specific
pattern?
about the species.
Of
But
course, it is following.
कुछ
It is
पैटर्न
a
पे
basic.
फॉलो करता है? Does
Yes,
it follow
it
a
is a
pattern?
yeah, it is a basic ecological mane question in 12th grade and also in CBSE courses and all. Because your biodiversity, there is a pattern actually. If you see going from North Pole to come to the equator, the abundance of the species, flora and fauna are very different. In from the North Pole there will be less diversity, and as much you go through the zone and reach to the equator, there will be a lot of abundance and species are more. Again, it is you say longitudinal. We say it is a longitudinal pattern, and there are also pattern that is where in a local also there is definite pattern in the hill area, hilltop, you will find different pattern of flora and fauna. In the below the hills, in the valleys, there are different, a lot of patterns are there. It is
Okay.
as Rudra told, it is totally a theory.
It's a very big thing, and
Big issue,
but
yeah.
climate big issue and
Yeah, again
micro.
climate also there, microclimate based
Uh,
things.
Actually, कब होता है कि climate makes the first an important role. आपका एक macro climate होता है, एक micro climate होता है. Macro हमको दिखता है, micro नहीं दिखता है. So at the micro level, all of the things get changed and the species diversity pattern follows. It follow करता है. But because of the climate change, आपका जो climate change और randomization होती है, many disturbances are there. Maybe we, at the present time, because of the climate change and many other factors, we are not following that species diversity pattern. But we have to study. वो उसको भी तो study करना है, because at the end that also affect the process of evolution. आपका species diversity finally result करता है evolutionary processes को. That have to be studied.
Another issue, another very important issue, ये जो pattern है इसमें ही है, माने it is there in the subject matter.
Hmm.
तो इसे सक्सेशन क्या होता है कि अगर एक लैंडमास ह्यूमन इन्फेक्टेड है या फायर आ गया है और कुछ भी हो डिस्टर्ब हो गया है, एक फॉरेस्टेड एरिया और वाइल्ड लाइफ एरिया, तो ये आफ्टर दैट जो स्पेसीज आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे, उनका भी एक पैटर्न होता है
Pattern
इन द
होता है,
सक्सेशन
right?
होता है, उसमें भी एक पे, और वो पैटर्न को समझना ही बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि हम जो रिलोकेशन अभी
Right.
करते हैं, जो रिलोकेशन हम करते हैं, ह्यूमन हैबिटेशन को निकालते हैं, जब ये एरिया को हम छोड़ देते हैं तो उसमें क्या आ जाता है, बहुत सारे
क्या
वीड्स आ
changes
जाते
आ
हैं,
जाता है?
इन्वेजिव वीड आ जाता है, उसमें नेचुरल
Yes,
पैटर्न
yes.
कोई नहीं आता है, तो इसको भी हमको समझना है. वी हैव टू स्टडी दैट थिंग. ओके,
Hmm.
so everywhere there is a pattern and you have to identify that pattern also.
Important question and
Even the prey and the predator,
Yeah, prey
it
and
plays a
predator.
role with the
relations.
pattern.
Yeah, herbivores. From insects to mammals, everybody has a lot of role in the patterns.
Invertebrates to vertebrates, insect to
It's a,
mammals.
it's,
का role रहता है.
it's a very like the question is small, but the
Vast.
answer is like too complicated.
It's a
It is a
kind of
it is a,
man-animal conflict.
it
It's
is a
a
chapter in
man-animal.
ecology. I think it is a chapter in
Man-animal.
ecology.
Yes, you're true. मैन-एनिमल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जैसे बड़ा सा भास्ट सब्जेक्ट दिखता है छोटा सा लिखने में, so like that species diversity very big.
Yeah.
Sir, one question was there. Actually, very question. Very yeah. Mruganka Mauli Patnaik. He wants to know about native wild honeybees.
Native
But the
wild
start
honeybees. Okay,
wild honeybees.
ये तो है जो आई थिंक मेलिफेरा इज देयर, एपिस मेलिफेरा एंड
Dorsata.
एपिस
Sorry, apis.
हाँ, another is there, एपिस
Dorsata
और
indica तो अपना वाला है.
या डोर्साटा एंड इंडिका तो
Apis
आई
indica.
थिंक हाँ, that is a cultivated kind of thing, I
Common.
think. But Apis mellifera or dorsata and another is the Cinna kind of thing.
So his question was actually how to increase their population or wild honey कैसे collection करा जाता है. He wanted to know something about it.
Okay, those actually now honeybees are it is a small scale industry. The department in the government of India and government of Odisha, small scale industries are there. They are actually promoting all these things, and and we are also taking advantage of installing honeybees in our elephant movement area so that elephant movements cannot it will be reduced in the habitation area, and it will be sidewise it will be giving income to the self-help groups and all. So we are in a we are planning, actually we have already
Like
installed. Yeah, we are in planning stage to install 2000 honeybees with mellifera. Actually, the mellifera is a little bit wilder, and it has a good
yields better honey.
impact. Yeah, it has a good impact on elephants actually, because for indica the elephant they don't do that much bother actually. So
Indica are docile ones.
yeah, little bit docile. So that way we are planning.
Okay. Okay. Hope so. We'll be question answering him in. Okay. So next question is, sir. Actually, we have 20 minutes, 10 minutes left. We'll sum up for this question, this discussion part. Next question is, what steps taken to strengthen the forest guard and forest living community at ground level?
Strengthen means what? I don't
Forest living
understand.
community at
If I will say ki forest guard to strengthen them, as Rudra Babu was telling, we have given them a lot of training. They are going on various kinds of training in wildlife rescue, to start with wildlife rescue to wildlife crime, then how to the conservation, how to start a VSS, how to work with the EDCs, eco development committees. A lot of things they are trained, and उनका जो capacity भी building कर रहे हैं. And if you will say the forest living community जो है उनके लिए क्या कर रहे हैं हम, उनका जितना अच्छे अच्छे फॉरेस्ट है, सपोज ये प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज के पास है, तो वो जो फ्रिंज विलेज है वहाँ पे हम एक इको डेवलपमेंट कमेटी किए हैं. इको डेवलपमेंट कमेटी में वो उनका रोल होता है प्रोटेक्शन की, वॉलंटियरिज्म एंड उनका उनको जो एरिया दिया जाता है स्पेसिफाइड एरिया, उनको कैसे वो गार्ड करे, और वो एक्चुअली सोशल बैरियर क्रिएट करते हैं. एंड हम भी उनका बहुत सारे लाइवलीहुड इश्यूज एंड अदर इश्यूज को एड्रेस करते हैं. उनको हमने फ्रीली क्या है सोलर गैस जो है उनको वो देते हैं, सोलर लाइट्स देते हैं, उनके लाइवलीहुड्स में बहुत सारे काम करते हैं. तो उनका भी फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन, वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन के साथ उनका जो इनकम है और उनका जो लिविंग पैटर्न है वो अच्छा हो, बेहतर हो. तो उसमें whole issues will be in a win-win situation.
another question is, present young persons are willing to reside within core area.
Is a
Are they
question mark.
equally, yeah, is a question mark. Are they equally trained like previous generations? Can their lifestyle suitable for a coexistence in core area?
Suitable for coexistence. I don't understand this trained. Whether equally trained means
Present young
whether they are capable of living inside the core area. That is
Inside the core area. But
see.
core area में रहने क्यों नहीं?
I will tell you one thing. Whatever I have seen in my days in Simlipal and now also in Hadgad and all areas, in the core area of a wildlife habitat, the people who are staying now, it is all right, but the young mass, they are not interested to stay there, not interested to continue, because the with schemes like institution and all kind of reservation and all, these tribal people, mostly they are tribal youngsters, so they are engaged in education, engaged in lot of training kind of thing, and so they are not at a point mentally, they are not at a point to live in that core area whole things. That is a basic thing what I. But the whole problem is that they are so much culture based and culturally they are so much क्या डिसिप्लिन होता है उनके अंदर एक, तो वो रेज नहीं कर पाते हैं वॉइस। उनका पेरेंट्स, उनका जो सिस्टम है, उनका जो ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी है, उनके अगेंस्ट में वो वॉइस नहीं कर पाते हैं। लेकिन उनका दिमाग में ये वो नहीं कि हम ये कोर एरिया में रहेंगे, हमको अगर चाहे तो हम अच्छा अल्टरनेटिव मिलता है तो हम चले जाएंगे। and also as already they are growing in a mainstream, अगर किम्स में अभी जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो क्या सोचेंगे कि हाँ नहीं नहीं हम कोर एरिया में जाके रहेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। क्योंकि वो भुवनेश्वर में एक क्लाइमेट में है और इवन इंटरनेशनली दे विजिटेड एंड उनका ये जो एक्सपोजर आ रहा है, तो इनको ठीक मेन स्ट्रीम में ही देना है। उनका अभी वो दे आर नॉट ट्रेन टू लिव इन ए कोर एरिया। ओके, तो
आइसोलेटेड एरिया में नहीं बनता।
या एंड को एग्जिस्टेंस तो एक नाम है कि कोर एरिया में को एग्जिस्टेंस एक नाम है, लेकिन को एग्जिस्टेंस इज टोटली अ फेल्यूर, बिकॉज कोर एरिया में ओनली वाइल्ड लाइफ, एनिमल एंड नेचर को छोड़ देना है उनका उनका ग्रोथ के लिए। वो अपना जो नेचुरल जो जितना वेब है, फूड वेब है, इकोसिस्टम है, ये सब एनरिचमेंट आएगा उसको छोड़ देने में। एंटायरली शुड नॉट बी देयर इन द कोर एरिया।
Thank you, sir. Next question is Sandeep Bhatt. What are some methods to teach children about wildlife conservation?
Yes,
कैसे
Rudra.
उनको conservation?
Rudra would tell.
I'll say कि just from the beginning, like I'll say कि like your education start from your backyard. अगर बच्चों को सिखाना है, ask them to observe nature through your window of your home. Give them a binocular or something. Teach them how to use a binocular and make them observe the nature. Another good thing is your internet. Most of the people, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि we show them National Geographic Discovery. लोगों को लगता है जो अफ्रीका है, in like all these channels you will see mostly African documentaries. Gradually India का आ रहा है, but Indian work हम लोग बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है, because most of them are foreign
Yes.
channels. So make them watch what India has. आजकल ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब में बहुत सारा वीडियोस मिल जाएगा. Show them the books that I am seeing, like बच्चों के लिए जो बुक है, most of them they show African Asiatic elephant और इवन नॉर्मली भी हम लोग वो पता नहीं चलता. बहुत सारे मैंने पोस्टर्स में देखा है, व्हेन वी डू सम अवेयरनेस कैंपेन अबाउट एलिफेंट, अफ्रीकन
Yes, yes.
एलिफेंट का पोस्टर रहेगा. तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट एंड इंडियन एलिफेंट. वो हम लोगों को सिखाना है. So it will start with the parents. Parents are the best teacher, I will say. Make them observe the nature from your backyard, from the surrounding. If they are educated with that thing, I'll say it will help them and they will explore. The youngest children, the new advanced children, they know how to explore the world. They will do it. You just have to show them a path.
Nice. Thank you. Sir, you want to add something?
हाँ, यस, यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, हमारा टाइम में हम कैसे वाइल्ड लाइफ की हम पंचतंत्र पढ़े, बहुत सारे वाइल्ड एनिमल की स्टोरीज पढ़े, तो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की तरफ एक विशेष ज्ञान आ गया है हमारे अंदर. सो इन दैट वे नाउ इट इज एज रुद्र टोल्ड कि योर सोशल मीडिया इज देयर, योर इंटरनेट इज, films are there, and you can also observe your own things. Suppose सिमलीपाल में हमने शुरू किया था, जितने सारे बच्चे स्कूल की है उनके अंदर एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन किए थे टू जस्ट अबाउट द सिमलीपाल. तो कोई पानी की दिखाया, वहाँ पे कोई फॉरेस्ट दिखाया, वहाँ पे टाइगर दिखाया, लॉट ऑफ, उनके अंदर एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन करवाइए, उनके अंदर डिबेट कंपटीशन करवाइए, उनके अंदर यू कैन स्टार्ट आल्सो दिस हर्बारियम काइंड ऑफ थिंग. इंसेक्ट की जो आप बहुत सारे कलेक्शन ऑफ द इंसेक्ट मटेरियल, इंसेक्ट्स एंड ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज कैन बी डन with the children, so that they will be interested for the wildlife. Then उनके अंदर आएगा कि इसको हमको बचाना है. तो उसको बचाना, कंजर्वेशन मीन्स एटलीस्ट दे विल परसुएड देयर ओन पेरेंट्स कि आप मत जाओ पोचिंग के लिए, हंटिंग के लिए और कुछ, ये जो, क्योंकि बहुत उसमें इफेक्ट आता है. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू एक्चुअली टीच द चिल्ड्रन इन द फ्रिंज एरियाज जहाँ पे है, जो चिल्ड्रन पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं उनका स्कूल की जो किताब भी है, जो फ्री बुक्स यू आर गिविंग ना, that also cover page you put wild animals. Okay, so that it will be a very much interested for the people की students की, हाँ ये मेरा सिमिलीपाल की है या मेरा हथगढ़ की है, ये animals है ये. So that way you can do.
Exactly. And many questions, we have covered almost all the questions, and comments are done, but we have covered, and it was really a very nice discussion. Within a brief, just in 1 minute, please, what the message you want to give to the next generation. Everything. A brief message,
Pardon?
in a conclusive message, what you want to do to the generation.
See, I'll say if you are interested for conservation or research or anything, our motto should be we are working for animals. Whatever way, we may join for a service, we may become a researcher, we may become a conservationist, or we may become a just normal citizen. But if we want to do something for animal, we will find some way. So whatever you do, make your goal clear and use your knowledge in whichever way you can do. Engineers can do, scientists can do, doctors can do, anybody can do conservation, I'll say, but you have to try.
ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज. हमको अपने लेवल पर ट्राई करना है एंड द बेस्ट हमको देना है, एंड दैट इज टू द नेचर एंड द वाइल्ड लाइफ. सर, व्हाट योर
Yes,
मैसेज?
my message is that millions of species are there, flora and fauna in the earth surface and all. But there is only one species, that is human being, causing a lot of trouble to all million species. Okay, and in that human groups, human species, we are very little part of people who are thinking about the wild animals and nature and nature conservation. So we should feel privileged and we should thank God कि ये हमारे अंदर उन्होंने भगवान ने हमको ये दिशा दिखाया है, हमारे अंदर ये इंटरेस्ट दिया है कि उनके बारे में सोचे जिसके बारे में कोई नहीं सोचता है, कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं सोचता. मेजॉरिटी पार्ट दे नेवर थिंक अबाउट दैट आल्सो. So if you are blessed with that kind of feeling to do or conjure for anything, just come forward. That's all. Just come forward and do something. There will be a big change.
Okay. Last message, Satyanarayan Acharya. Thanks to Ajit sir for the brief description. Yes, sir. Thank you, message. Thanks, Ajit sir, for the brief description about remote sensing and GIS and the importance of the wildlife sector to lightening the way of growth. Thank you, Satya. So we have two very valuable words are there. Rudra, what you told, India has many things are there that we must have to know and understand, और अपने बच्चों को वो चीज दिखाना है, सिखाना है, और क्योंकि नेक्स्ट यंग जनरेशन है उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करके लेके जाएंगे. और सर, आपने जो बताया उसको मैं थोड़ा सा रिफाइंड बोलूंगी, बी ए वॉइस फॉर दोज हु कैन नॉट स्पीक ऑफ देयर्स. हम उनके लिए वॉइस बनेंगे जो खुद का बोल नहीं सकते हैं, पर उनका वॉइस सबसे जब पावरफुल होता है जब वो बोलते हैं किसी की और सुनाई नहीं देती है. तो दैट थिंग वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ. Thank you, our eminent panelists, Sri Ajay Satpathy sir and Rudra Mahapatra, for your valuable suggestions. And we had a very fine discussion, and we can just say questionnaire, but we had a very fine discussion on the various aspects of all the questions. Thank you, viewers, for your suggestions and the questions and all the responses that we are getting a right time basis. We are getting. And from the team Growth Nature, we are committed to give our best for the betterment of the Mother Nature, and whatever possible from our side we will be giving. And again, our tagline: be a voice for those who cannot speak of their own, speak of theirs. So I'm hoping for everyone to have a good day and all these things. Night is still there. Thank you, guests. Thank you, all the viewers.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Thanks
Thank you.
for your
Thank you very
patience
much.
and
Thank you very
everything.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and good night, everyone.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.